a smile so wide to hide the cracks, the pain I keep inside. The world's a stage, they said, just play your part. But every laugh I fake just broke my heart. They told me once that I'm here to spread the cheer, but no one sees the shadows, no one sees the fear. I'm dancing on a tightrope, the void beneath my feet. One wrong step and I'm falling into the dark so deep. Now I'm laughing in the rain, but it's not the same. The joke's on me, I'm the one who's insane. The world's a cruel joke and I'm the punchline. So I wear my madness like a crown so divine. Tried to be a man they'd love, a man they'd need, but every door I knocked on left me here to bleed. The city's cold, it whispers you're a ghost, a freak, and every word they throw just cuts me to the peak. I see them in the mirrors, the faces that I wear. A clown, a killer, do they even care? The laughter's getting louder, it's ringing in my brain. I'm not a man, I'm a monster, and I'm breaking every chain. Now I'm laughing in the rain, but it's not the same. The joke's on me, I'm the one who's insane. The world's a cruel joke and I'm the punchline. So I wear my madness like a crown so divine. My soul, they took my name. Now all that's left is a cold, endless game. I'll light the world, watch it burn so bright. In the ashes of the chaos, I'll find my right. The streets are screaming, the chaos is my song. I've been a puppet too long, now the strings are gone. The blood on my hands, it's a masterpiece. A symphony of madness, a sweet release. I'm not your clown, I'm not your fool. I'm the king of chaos, breaking every rule. The laughter's real now, it's tearing through the pain. I'm free at last in the eye